Hello everyone, welcome to NetPRG. This is our second video. Today we are talking about backup MikroTik router. So first of all, we do this backup on the virtual machines or virtual labs. You can do it in the virtual lab or in real MikroTik. So we use a EVNG. You can use anything else you have. Just follow my step carefully and it's done to work really fine. So first of all, we backup it manually. Second, we have a second backup. It's called automatically or automations. First, we're talking about a manually one that we have two type of one manually that we have a backup that backup all of our system, or we can use a script. A little bit different between the backup and the script backup that like backup our old configuration and OS or MikroTik script just like backup our just a little bit configuration that we do to our MikroTik. This is depending on you. Which type do you want to use? Uh, just follow our steps how we do the backup. First of all, we need to download the Winbox to access the MikroTik, and let me show you. Like, just give me a like I want me to a little bit configuration on here. Like I'm give him an IP address like 10 for example, like this /24 ether2, and let me give him an identity set to name netprg, sorry, prg, and let's edit a VLANs interface, sorry, interface, add VLANs and edit VLAN ID like 120. So the name is VLAN 120. So enter ether2. This is a little bit confusion in our MikroTik. So like we need to back up our system if like our router maybe it's broken or some attackers attacking our system and reboot it. Like anyway, that happening in your MikroTik, you do have a backup. So first of all, this is the first backup that we're talking about. Backup all of our systems. So we have to set up a name like netprg. I'm give him a name and a little password. So you can do not give him a password. It's depending on you. So backup. So it's giving you a backup. So you can click them on here and download it, or you can manually, like, sorry, let me show you, manually like drag and drop to download a backup on your system. Like if our system is down or restarting or something's happening or resetting, like let me reset our system to tell you how to restore your system. Sorry. So waiting a period of a time to resetting our system. I give them a 10 seconds just to up our system. Okay, now our system is up and our system is not have anything. Just because I'm in the virtual one, it's remain. We remove it like we have to reset our system, or it's a new MikroTik. We came to our system and upload our backup file, or you can click on upload and select it on here. It's depending on you how you use it, and click on restore and give him a password that we a few minutes we give him, and restore and reboot it. Then we waited to reboot our system and restoring our system, our own configuration on here. Just a little bit waiting for here. Now our configuration is back. The second one is that we have it's a script. Let me tell you how to do it. It's an easy one. Like say open the terminal and say export file and give him a name, like I give him a script one. Okay, script. Okay, and enter. Uh, this is, where is it? Yes, this is our script. Let me first. Yes, our script's ready. Let me download it. You can't open it automatically by the notepad. Just click on the notepad, and this is our configuration. You can copy it if our system like before down. Just paste it on here. It does everything on here. This is how the backup manually on the MikroTik router. Okay, let's talk about the second one. Automatically backup our MikroTik router via the email. How to automatically backup our configuration router. First of all, we need to click on tool and email. This is a little bit complexity. I'm explaining everything for you. Just follow my steps carefully. So first of all, remove this and this. Okay, let's start. The third verse is mean on here. If you change, what is this in here? Let me explain for you. If you have a public IP reachable to the internet side, your MikroTik router, you can use this configuration. Or if you don't have a public IP for some reason, like for security reason, for if you're working on ISP, you don't use a public IP, just for NAT, you can use this static IP. It's work fine for you. So let's copy the domain of the Gmails and paste it on here, or you can copy it. This one, go to CMD and ping it to it and enter and enter. So this is IP of the domain that near my country. You can use this, but I'm recommended for you use that domain one. So this is a domain and the port is 587. So paste it and TLS star TLS from user to for example your Gmail account. Let me copy my emails on here. So paste it on from and user. Let me skip the password for you. I'm explain for you. If you don't use a public IP, you can reachability to the internet. This I mean on here. If you see, I have a public IP and I'm reachability to the internet. Let's see. If you don't have it, you can reachability to the internet. Then copy this IP and paste it on the server side, on the server on here. And what's the password? This is generated by Gmail. How we find it? Click on this icon and manage your Google account. So waiting and app password on the start bar. So click on it. So waiting and give him a name like MikroTik. We give MikroTik and create one. So it give you an generate password for you. So copy it and paste it on the password. So apply. For testing our work, you can send a template email. Say send email and copy the server again and our Gmail to who and start TTL from and say test. So send them. Okay, now our test email is finally work. Let's check. So see, the MikroTik sent the test email for us. So for here it's done, but we don't have a backup now. How we do it? We do it by the script. Go to system and go to schedule or schedule, add it. So on here, just follow carefully. Give them a name, like auto backup, any name you want, like starting day, starting time, if you want to change it. Interval, you can give them 1 days or 12 hours, it's depending on you. I'm giving a 10-second for my video. And we have the script. I'm explaining for you. And don't worry, I'm putting this all on script on description. You can copy and paste it. So first of all, let's export the file by the script's name. You can export if you wanna export in the script file. Just you can export file and give them a name, like anyone name if you want. And if you wanna back up all of the systems, system backup save name, column MikroTik or anything you want. So another script is a tool email send from example, like my emails that we pasted on here. So copy it and paste it on here. And for second, say to send it to who? To my Gmail again. Subject it, the subject or email, the backup MikroTik, like I'm calling uh, netprg. Okay. And the file is our script name, like script rsc, and MikroTik, the backup our system. That two of the scripts. The body name, if you have a teams work together, you can send them to the backup to the team and say hello team, here's the backup of the MikroTik. Like you can the MikroTik is a net, I'm giving a name, prg, and this is script of the data and time, and say you can download it. So our configuration is done on here. Say apply and waiting to a period time. Let's see the work's done or not. So we can do the 10 seconds. Okay, the counter is run on here. Now, if you see, there's running count and our backup is sent. Let me before disable it for you. Disable our run counter. Now go to the Gmail and see the MikroTik sent the backup to us and open it, say the backup MikroTikNet PRG and our Gmails. Hello team, there's our backup MikroTik name, the date and time that the MikroTik sent it. And this is all of two script. You can download it. You can download the backup. Automatically every day it send a backup to you that the set interval time. So this is end of my video. I hope it's useful for you. Please give them a thumbs up, and if you have any question, comment down the below. Have a great day. Goodbye.